Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple plane in Roblox Studio. So the first thing you want to do is add a vehicle suite inside the workspace. You want to get the look vector of that, it's looking this way. Delete it and then scale it up a bit. And then you want to add an attachment, then add a script, delete the default code, add an angular velocity, and then a linear velocity. Make sure both of these velocities are parented to the attachment that we just added, and make sure the max torque is infinite and the max force is infinite. If you don't know how to select two parts at a time, just click on this part and then hold shift on your keyboard and click on this part. And you want to change the relative to the, so you want to go to linear velocity, do the relative to attachment 0. Now we can start scripting, so let's get our C. Let's do local front speed equals 100, and then local up speed equals 5, and then local max height equals 20. And then you want to do a while loop, so while task wait do. And yeah, so if seat throttle is equal to 1, then you want to copy this. Wait, no. Script linear velocity vector velocity equals vector 3 neo 0 up speed and then negative front speed. Now you want to copy this and then paste it under again, change this to -1, change this to -1 right here, then change this to 0, and change this to 0 right here. And now you want to do if math round seat position in y minus seat size y divided by 2. So this will get the bottom of the seat. If it's equal to 0, then it's touching the base plate. So then you want to do script velocity equals 0. And then one final thing, if seat position y plus seat size y divided by 2 is greater than max height, then you want to copy the velocity from the script throttle that's equal to -1 and paste in here. And that's how you make a very simple plane. So if I press play here, okay, so yeah, I forgot. Oh, I did random. I meant math round. And you want to do if seat throttle is not equal to 1, and so now it'll work as it should. I go on it, I press up, I go up. I can't go any higher than my maximum height. So as you can see, the seat's not going higher. I can also go down. Wait, I forgot to make it turn. Okay, so script angular velocity equals vector 3 neo 0 -1 times seats there and 0. Now you can, now this, yeah, okay. So now if I go down, I go down. If I don't press anything, I stay there. And I can still go up until I'm 20 studs high. And how about if I can turn right and left, and if I go on the floor, I stop, and I can go again. So that's how you make a basic plane. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I don't know how to make it accelerate slower. So I don't know how to make it not instantly go to the max speed. So if you know how to fix that, leave a comment. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.